Today we'll be unboxing these cute little fashion bags from Barbie. Let's start with the purple, black and silver one. Cute purple boots, purple bag, black shoes, black sunglasses, silver necklace, and white bracelet. Second bag is this gorgeous pink, blue, yellow one. We've got this beautiful pink boots, pretty pink bag, yellow necklace, yellow glasses, blue boots and high heels, and blue bracelet. Next, we have this gorgeous pink or purple, silver and mint bag. We've got this cute silver shoes, pinkish purple shoes, silver bracelet, gorgeous pink glasses, mint purse, and silver and pinkish purple necklace. Next we have this vibrant red, pink bag. We've got these cool red shoes, red necklace, purple bracelet, cute pinkish purple boots, pink purse in the shape of a heart, super cute pink glasses. And the last bag is a guitar, some hidden stuff, beautiful guitar,